What's up, guys? Starting today's video just like we do every single day, but this is good. So yeah, so as you guys know, we've been going heavy in the 1J swap in my S13 and it's coming out pretty good so far. Of course, we still have a lot more to do, but the ball is rolling. So last night we reassessed the radiator to add some more clearance for some fans on the JZ motor, and it came out absolutely amazing. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, go watch yesterday's video. It was sick. I still cannot get over this. I mean, look at it. We still gotta paint it, but we might mod it for the intercooler, so we're gonna hold off on paint for now. But today is a huge day because today I got a part that I've been waiting for quite a long time. And that is, and can you guess what it is? I'll give you like 3 seconds. Okay, that's my turbo manifold. I am so freaking excited for this thing. Damn, look at this thing. This thing is gorgeous. Nice thick tubing, good solid flange, nice wastegate flange, little T4 action right here. So as you guys know, I got the GTX3071R right here, and I think this is going to be the perfect match for the turbo. So let's just test fit it real quick. I'm too excited. Man, this thing looks amazing and it fits so well. Look how much room I have around basically everywhere. It's crazy how for such a big motor, I have so much room to work around it. But so let's see what it looks like with the turbo on it. So much room still, and it has no issue fitting. So you guys are probably wondering what manifold it is. So I actually got this manifold from CX Racing. It's their S chassis 1JZ swapped manifold, their T3, T4 manifold, and after seeing the quality of their manifolds on RJ's car and Jip's car, I figured it was a no-brainer. I thought it was the perfect part with the perfect price for this build. I think it's going to do us great. So it has a really nice fitting cast collector tube on it and all thick-ass stainless tubing with a nice beefy flange. So as you guys know, CX Racing makes a ton of parts for a ton of cars, a lot of turbo kits, radiators, coilovers, everything, and they give me a discount to give to you guys. If you guys go on CX Racing, you can get 12% off basically, I think, the whole entire site if you just use the coupon code JimmyO. And all you have to do is make an account and you're set to go. So if you guys are ordering off there, use the code. It'll save you some money. So at this point, we basically have everything to throw the whole turbo and manifold setup on the JZ for good, besides the fact I don't know what wastegate I'm using yet, so we might have to pull it off to change the flange on it, but we can get the majority of it on because I'm dying to see this like together. So first thing we have to do is actually get the lines on the turbo. Of course, it has 2 coolant lines, a high pressure oil feed, and an oil drain. So instead of piecing a bunch of AN fittings together, I decided to go with a more like versatile OEM fitment style set of turbo lines. And I got these from Mamba. I just kind of found these online. And they give me nice braided steel lines. These work really well with the OEM fitment of the water neck. So let's get them on. The first thing we have to do is basically convert this to work with these lines, and it comes with all new fittings to actually go on the turbo. So we're gonna start with our high pressure oil line, which is this piece right here. And that always goes right on top of the turbo. Then we have our coolant lines, which are always on the side of the turbo. And then we got the oil return. Then we have this crazy fitting right here, which I'm really nervous if it's gonna clear through the manifold or not. I guess we'll find out pretty soon. Got the gasket, got the hardware. Now let's get it on the manifold. So as you guys could probably tell, this bolt's being a pain in the ass. So I'm just gonna make my life a lot easier and just take off the whole cold side housing, just because we're gonna have to clock it anyway, so we might as well. All of this work just to find out that the bolt is just a little bit too long. Part of me really wants to get studs for the manifold instead of bolts, just because studs will be tighter and less likely to get stripped out and ruined. So let's take a trip to the hardware store. So these should make my life way easier. Just gotta snug them up. I'm a little nervous about this one hitting the turbo drain bolt, but I guess we'll see. So everything on this manifold is so easy to get to besides this one freaking bolt, the one inside here. So it seems like taking the hot side off the turbo and mounting it down instead of taking off the cold side was definitely the better move. So I'm gonna take the time, pull the hot side, get these four all tight, and then figure out how to put it all back together. See, it's a lot easier to get to now. All right, a little while later, I got it all bolted together, and it looks so good. Look at this thing. This is beautiful. This is my first top mount manifold, and oh my God, does this look so badass. It's crazy because I still have so much room. Like, this engine is so much bigger, but yet it still fits better than an SR20 and a KA, which is crazy. It's just a little longer, but I still cannot get over this. Wait till this thing's fully polished, but this thing looks absolutely beautiful. So to make this official, we still need to mess with the turbo lines, and we have to clock the housing to the desired position. Where it is right now doesn't seem too bad. We're gonna try and utilize my Midmount intercooler, so the intercooler piping goes right through here. And so this doesn't seem like a bad spot. Let's finish up the turbo lines. So for the high pressure oil line, it's easy. There's a banjo fitting in the block, which you can even see. It's right there. So all we have to do is go from here to here, and we basically already did, just got screwed in and it's done. I definitely want to get some heat resistant covers for all the lines, just because, I mean, it doesn't hurt and they kind of sit pretty close to the manifold. Now we gotta do the turbo drain. This one's usually pretty easy. All it is this piece right here to the piece down here. And luckily this kit makes it so easy. Look at it, it's basically done. It just fits through the manifold. It's a little close for comfort. So that one, since it's just a return, it's okay if the oil gets a little hot, but I definitely still want to get some heat wrap for that and get that covered. But let's get some hose clamps on this thing.
What is going on?
Oh, what's up guys? It's been a few hours and B just showed up. I missed him, so I stopped filming, but we got a flag. Yeah, tighten it up a little bit.
Look straight.
Yeah, keep going.
Looks good.
I figured it was not. Bro, you're a very nimble guy.
Thanks, man. Alright, how's that for level? I guess it should just go all the way.
Sweet. Yeah, that looks good.
Perfect. Right?
Hey, Bobby. I gotta help B get down. You ready?
We should have done a cheer while I was up there.
It's like you guys done that a few times.
All right, B stopped by real quick. He's actually on his little date night tonight. He's with his girlfriend.
What's up, dude? What do you think of the turbo setup? Come on.
It's awesome. It looks really pretty.
Dude, how insane does that look? CX Racing, dude.
Yeah. I mean, I look at it. It's got that sweet little cast type. I mean, that's cast, right? Is that cast stainless? What's going on with that?
It's a cast collector, stainless, and then it's all, you know, tubular stainless steel.
Yeah, it's all TIG welded. It looks nice. I mean, how much better can you ask for a production manifold? They made hundreds and hundreds of these things.
It's a fact. But real quick, I've been dying to test fit my intercooler. So you guys remember I have my PBM mid-mount intercooler kit, and it is on the small side for the horsepower range that we're trying to make, but we're trying to utilize it for now. We want to see if it works with our current setup and our tilted radiator. So let's test fit it.
You're close.
Come on, boy. There we go. All right, tilt her back, Bobby. Oh, we got a mile.
That's honestly probably how it sat before. Look at that, peeking right through.
That's not bad. It's obviously got to sit higher, but it would be cool to get like a custom intercooler made where it's, you know, bigger.
We'll see what we can get out of this.
Yeah. That's what intake air temperature sensor is for. So this is gonna be really easy because we can really go from right here just straight, which we could probably utilize my old pipe. Oh, see, that'd be sick. Cut it, boom, bang, drop it down.
Put a 90 on it.
Put a 90 on it, call it a day, and you're done. That'd be too easy. And then you're done. And then this thing's gonna spool ridiculous.
And look at how pretty this thing is, guys.
Who, B? Oh, the turbo.
I mean, he's beautiful too. We love him.
All right, guys, I think that's all I have for you for tonight. Today was a short day. I was really excited to get my manifold in, but I'm really pumped that we got the manifold in and on, and it honestly looks way better than I'd ever expected to. And with the turbo, it just fits so beautifully. I can't imagine this fitting any better. So I'm pumped. I got to finish up the water lines, but that just means I need 2 soft coolant lines. We could do that. And I don't really want to run them until we have the intercooler figured out because they might get in the way. And downpipe should be in next week. It was just on back order, so we'll get that on and it'll be looking even more complete. So progress is happening. I'm really excited how it's coming out. And we still got a lot of work ahead of us, and honestly, I couldn't be more excited. So today was a quick day, and it was a fun day. Tomorrow is an awesome day for Steffi here. We're not gonna tell him. It's a surprise.
Oh.
Yeah. We can't tell. So tomorrow we have a really cool surprise for Steffi and her Miata. We'll be showing that and another exciting news. So it's gonna be a great day. So we're gonna end it there. So you guys, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Steffi,
Have a great night.
you gotta fully, yeah, there you go.